Ever wonder how to replace your mirror on a 2006 to 2010 Audi A4? Well, it's not that easy. On most of the cars, you have to remove the door panel first. Nope, not on this car. This is Audi A4. Woohoo! You gotta remove the door panel and then a bunch of other components and parts in order to basically remove the whole assembly, the window with rails and everything. And once you get to the point of removing the door panel, you're gonna discover a lot of bolts. One bolt is right here. There's like a little rubber cover, and it's a Torx bolt. It's way over there inside. See right there? That's one of them. That was hidden. Next one, it's right here. Another one, right here. You thought you got all of them? Nope. You gotta remove the speaker. Another bolt right there. Am I missing something? Yes. One more right there. And then the whole unit comes out literally upwards. And then you'll be able to change your mirror. Well, it took me about 30 minutes. Some of you might take a little longer. It doesn't matter. As long as you get the job done and you change the broken mirror. And you're going to be successful. But, like I say, couple bolts. This is all the bolts I removed. Speaker, one. These black Torx bolts. See this one? That's the one that goes way over here. The long one goes right there. But like I say, you gotta take this cover off. This is the cover. Cover. This one comes off. So let's see. One big one, second big one, third big Torx bolt, and then you got the little one hidden behind the speaker. Another one hidden right there. That's a small Torx bit bolt, and then the whole assembly just slides right out. And then you actually have access to the mirror. Then the wire goes way down there, as you can see. You're gonna need something to pop those clips, because there's a clips that hold this wire. It goes way over here and plugs into the unit right here. And the wire is this one right there. This is the tricky wire. So you gotta remove the motor as well. There's 3 bolts, Torx bits that hold the motor. Once you remove the motor, there'll be blue things sticking out over here, and I'll show you where they're at. Those are these. You gotta squeeze those with like needle nose pliers. Squeeze them in and push them in. You squeeze in this one, push it with the finger, and then try to squeeze the other. Once those 3 comes out, the whole unit just slides out. That's how it's gonna look like. So, good luck. This is gonna be most important tools for this job, for you to change the mirror. The Torx bit set, these are made by what? Duracraft, 12 piece. Bought them for like $15, Harbor Freight. They'll have lifetime warranty, so whenever you strip them or whatever, you can always return them and get a new set. That's first thing. You need those pliers, so you can remove that plastic. 3 things, you can smash them together and push it in right here, like I showed before. And the thing for the clips. I happen to have a nice one, Matco. They work great, but you can get a cheap one at Harbor Freight or somewhere else. Doesn't matter, as long as you can pop these clips there inside. See the white one right there? Maybe hard. Oh, there you go, right there. There's one. And there's one on the bottom. So, have fun. In case you wonder how do you remove the door panel, here's the quick trick. First, you use your tool. Pop this molding off. Gently. When you pull this molding, to start from this side, you gently pop this out, and then the last one is like looks like this. So you gotta just kind of pull it forward so you don't break the clip off. The molding removed, you can see there's Phillips screws right here. There's also a Torx bit way over here, and there's one on the bottom right there. Then you can simply pull the door panel off. There's like plastic clips. You gotta start from the bottom gently and pull it off, and then pick the panel up.